The most valuable commodity I know of is information. Wouldn't you agree?
Hello, my friend. Whether you love him or hate him,
many men, many men.
Donald Trump is going to be president once again, for better or worse.
Because we have to save this country. Our country is dying. Our country is being destroyed by stupid people, by very stupid people.
You once said that using the debt ceiling as a negotiating wedge just could not happen. You said that when you were in the Oval Office.
I was president.
So why is it different now that you're out of office?
Because now I'm not president.
Now, I know many people are worried because they don't know what to expect, but I'm here to tell you, don't worry about it.
I used to think the Democrats were crazy for saying that men have periods, but then I met Tim Walz.
You might be thinking, what do you mean, don't worry about it? Exactly that.
Kamala, you're fired. Get the hell out of here. You're fired. Get out of here.
Don't waste your time and energy worrying about what he's going to do as president.
How do you like my garbage truck? This truck is in honor of Kamala and Joe Biden.
Instead, focus on what you are going to do while he's president.
The total initiative relative to what we're going to do with more border patrol and more asylum officers.
President Trump?
I really don't know what he said at the end of that sentence. I don't think he knows what he said either. Look.
In this message, I want to teach you 6 key areas you need to develop so you can not just survive, but thrive during the next 4 years and beyond.
He's all about disinformation. Pilots come in, he said, I used to fly a plane. Truckers come in, I used to drive a truck. People come in from Minnesota. I used to live in Minnesota, right? He is so full of shit, this guy. Terrible.
I remember when Trump became president in 2016. Man, that was a tough year for me. My life was unstable. I was between jobs, wanted to start my own business, had little savings, and my marriage was falling apart. My in-laws decided to move into a smaller apartment, which meant my wife, kids, and I had nowhere to live. I felt like a failure. I was struggling emotionally, dealing with depression, and smoking cannabis to cope with PTSD. I worked 5 jobs that year, including sales, janitorial work, valet driving, and package delivery. Finally, I landed a job as a senior graphic designer at a university. But not without hard work, sleepless nights, and a lot of sacrifice. Looking back, I realized that all the pain could have been avoided if I had taken the initiative to develop myself in 6 key areas I'm about to share with you.
You still believe?
Just because someone stumbles, loses their way, it doesn't mean they're lost forever. Sometimes we all need a little help.
If you're in your 30s or older, married with kids, stop what you're doing right now. Grab a pen and notebook and listen closely, because mastering these areas can completely change your life. The first area you must develop if you want to survive and thrive in the next 4 years is character, or who you are. Leadership is about character, and character is the foundation for personal growth, because who you are determines how you show up in every area of life. When challenges arise, your character will be the anchor that helps you stay true to your values. Simon Sinek once said, leadership is not about being in charge, it's about taking care of those in your charge. Strong character means being honest, responsible, and reliable. It builds trust and earns respect. Really. Think of character as the invisible scorecard of life. It's doing the right thing when you could easily cut corners. Ever wonder why some people are consistently trusted? It's not luck, it's character. Build yours by staying honest, keeping promises, and owning your mistakes. Trust is the most valuable currency you'll ever have. Don't waste it. Don't lose it. Don't lose it.
What made you so special? Nothing. I'm just a kid from Brooklyn.
Okay, the second area you must develop if you want to survive and thrive in the next 4 years is mindset, or how you think. Your mindset shapes your reality. It is the lens through which you view the world. A growth mindset allows you to see challenges as opportunities to learn rather than barriers. Ever heard the phrase, whether you think you can or you can't, you're right? That's mindset in a nutshell. If you believe you're capable of growth, you'll take action. If you tell yourself you're not good enough, you'll prove yourself right. Having the right mindset helps you face challenges and learn from mistakes. Remember, the way you think about yourself influences the results you create. Focus on developing a mindset where progress matters more than perfection. Okay, we're at the halfway point here, right? The third area you must develop if you want to survive and thrive in the next 4 years is skill set, or what you can do.
But what I do have are a very particular set of skills. Skills I've acquired over a very long career.
Develop practical skills to become better at your job or start a business. Imagine life as a video game. The more skills you unlock, the further you progress. Want to switch careers? Launch a side hustle? Build wealth? Skills are the keys you need to open those doors. Learn from Benjamin Franklin. He said an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Remember, it's not just about technical abilities, but also soft skills like communication, problem solving, and leadership. Keep learning, stay curious, and commit to mastering new skills on a regular basis. Learn to code, master public speaking, or get better at emotional intelligence. Don't just collect knowledge, apply it consistently. It makes a big difference. Hello, friend. Come here real quick. This is your daily reminder that leveling up is a must, not a choice. It's time to awaken your mind and take your professional and personal growth seriously.
It's alive! It's alive! It's alive! It's alive!
It's 2025. No more sitting on the sidelines. Get in the game.
Why so serious?
If you're wasting your time on social media and you're not learning and growing, you'll get left behind. That's a fact, not an opinion.
Maybe, maybe not.
That's why I created TAOLU Academy, because I wanted to help people like myself unlock their full potential with easy to access valuable learning resources and mentorship. Real mentorship.
Yeah!
If you're enjoying our free content and you're getting value, then I would like to invite you to check out our Learning Academy. Right now, you can join our online academy free for 30 days. Use promo code LEVELUP at checkout. No payments up front. Cancel anytime.
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard.
And guess what? If you want to stay after your free trial, our membership is only $14.97 a month or $179 a year.
You're killing me, Smalls.
We keep prices affordable because learning shouldn't break the bank. You shouldn't go in debt for knowledge. We're not one of these scammers that charges thousands of dollars for basic information.
Wax on, right hand. Wax off, left hand.
We're also introducing a new leadership development curriculum called the Leadership and Management Mastery Methodology, or L3M for short. It's a game-changing way to develop leaders and managers, and it's only available at TAOLU Academy. That's right. Right now, we have a special L3M Starter Kit package that we're offering to anyone who is interested in learning more about this new methodology.
Go ahead. Make my day.
Here's what's included. A recorded video of a private talk we gave to business owners and students about the future of leadership development, a full breakdown video explaining the L3M model, a digital copy of the L3M model playbook, a visual learning tool of the L3M model, and a complimentary strategy call with me, where we can discuss more about the Academy, any challenges you're facing, or anything that is on your mind. You get all this for just a very low price, but only for a limited time. Don't wait. Click the link in the description and start leveling up today. Okay, this one is a big one, right? The fourth area you must develop if you want to survive and thrive in the next 4 years is asset, or what you own. Focus on building wealth through assets that grow over time. Assets represent your financial health and long-term security. Think beyond just saving money. Focus on wealth building tools like property, investments, as well as intellectual property. Understand the power of ownership and the importance of passive income streams. Warren Buffett gives some good advice from time to time, right? He said, do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. Build financial security by acquiring assets. Think beyond cash. Wealth isn't just a paycheck. It's what you own that grows in value. Real estate, stocks, digital assets, or even your knowledge, like writing a book, for example. Those are assets. Start small, stay consistent, and let your assets work for you while you sleep. The fifth area you must develop if you want to survive and thrive in the next 4 years is network. Who you know. Your connections matter. I know you've heard that your network is your net worth, but I say that your net worth is multiplied by your network. Build relationships with people who encourage, challenge, and inspire you. Surround yourself with mentors, peers, and friends who are committed to growth. Helen Keller beautifully said, "Alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much." Ever notice how the most successful people aren't always the smartest, but often the best connected? Build genuine relationships with people who inspire you. Reach out, offer value, and stay curious. Networking isn't just about personal gain, it's about adding value to others' lives as well. Remember, the right connections can open doors that you didn't even know existed.
He's pretty good at that, right?
The sixth and last area you must develop if you want to survive and thrive in the next 4 years is health and wellness, or overall mental, physical, and spiritual well-being. Taking care of your body and mind is critical for long-term success. Without physical and mental health, it's hard to perform at your best. Prioritize regular exercise, balanced nutrition, quality sleep, and stress management. Lee Hunt believes that the groundwork for all happiness is good health. Emotional health matters too. Practice mindfulness, seek therapy when needed, and cultivate positive habits. When you feel good, you do good. You can't pour from an empty cup. Prioritize well-being because hustle culture means nothing if you burn out. Get enough sleep. Trust me, move your body. Fuel yourself with real food, and don't forget your mental health. Journaling, therapy, or even a walk in nature. Your mind matters as much as your body does. Remember, a healthy outside starts from within.
You're killing me, Smalls.
Here are some thoughts I would like you to reflect on. If you believe that you are healthy in mind and body, then ask yourself, what area of your life needs the most improvement right now? And how can you start working on it today? Do I make healthy decisions on what I consume, on how I treat others, on how I handle the problems of life? Here are some key takeaways. Building strong character and a growth mindset is essential. Developing valuable skills and assets sets the foundation for long-term success. Developing valuable skills and assets can set the foundation for long-term success. A supportive network and good health will keep you strong through challenging times. Each of these 6 principles isn't just a checklist, it's a lifelong commitment. Build them up and watch how your life transforms in the next 4 years and beyond.
To infinity and beyond!
Let me know in the comment section if this info was high level or not. Watch the next video where I break down how you can go from employee to business owner in 2025. Until next time,
You is smart. You is kind. You is important.
level up.